Right, let's get number 13 sorted. This one's got a cracked LCD, and we've got the LCD from the white one that was just a nuisance, so I gave up on it. So let's pop this apart. This will be a nice quick one. Oh, we're missing a screw from there. Pop that out. Take this screen. Straight in there. Good job, I've got a spare one, really, isn't it? Right, that should have been a nice, quick, easy job done. There we go. Right, that's that one sorted. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye. Use that for other bits another day. Right, let's carry on looking at this because it's just seriously baffling. Like, I don't understand it. Do you know what? I haven't got time to mess about with it. What I am going to do is use this screen on this number 13 one. So I've failed on this. I haven't got the time to be faffing about with it to any great degree when the screen can be used for something else. I might revisit it, but number 11 is just going in the spares box, I'm afraid. So, oh, for Pete's sake. Normal battery up here. And yeah, this is going in the spares box out of the way. Right, this one should do. Cute. Right, I may want to be a bit more careful with this one. I don't want to break the base. But let's take that out. Replace it with this one. In fact, whilst we're here, let's have this out. Pop this one off. Make sure this one goes in, which it doesn't. Oh, so it might work, but it doesn't fit. It's like rummaging in a box of Lego for this lot. Found a 3DS microphone. Brilliant. Pop that there. That'll come in handy another day. Right, under there. In you go. Lovely. Now get this connected. Right, now let's have a look what happens when I do this. Well, that's pinged up that UMD already, but no sound because we haven't got the sound cable plugged in. Right, let's get this more back together. That's not very good English. More back together. Jesus. I really need to work on my linguistic abilities. Where's the chassis? Yep, there it is. Yep, lovely. So, screws back in for these. I've got a new replacement front for it as well because the other one looked fairly manky. Take that battery back out, or the back of it's manky and all. Keep that charging up whilst we're reassembling. Get those back in. Now before I put the screen in, I might as well transfer all the gubbins from this one. Let me get out of the way. Yeah. I presume that's not going to poke through there, is it? No. So I've got to get that off of there. Yep. Right, that's on there nicely. Now, to the side, let's get the screen in, get it wiped over, and then get that top screwed back down. And we should have number 11 of 23 sorted. There we go. Pop that in. I've already bought my next lot to tackle. DS lights, DSIs and DSI XLs. So, oh, and original DSs. So that should be fun, shall we say? It'll be, well, it won't be different because I'm always doing that crap. But excellent. Does it read a memory? Well, of course it reads a memory card, as it wouldn't have done a Pandora battery, but now I'm just confused. Can't be as simple as this piece of crap causing issues, can it? No. I mean, it's not got much power in that battery. I am perplexed. Absolutely baffled. 2 minutes ago this worked. Put it together. It's not working. Something is seriously not right with this. Power off at the wall. I am confused, so I'm just going to leave it because I'm tired. I've had enough for one day. I'll come back to it tomorrow. Right, that's nearly there. We're at 96%, 97, so that's just about ready to do what it's doing. Let's ask it to reboot, and hopefully that'll come on. So I think if I pop that battery back out and this memory card, now I'm going to put this battery in. It should give us a nice orange light. Let's get a battery cover on it. Yeah, that's not holding in very well, but yeah. Now turn it off. And let's flick the power on. Yeah, we should be good to go. So let's put a disc in and see if it spins up. It's not going to play back because that thing's still covered in WD-40. World Tour Soccer. I love this game. I don't know why. It's not very good. Jab at that. Come on. Right. Do you know what? I think I'm going to not only replace that, but this also. And that means raiding the spares box once again. Right, I need to get, this one will do, down to official firmware. Let's just install official firmware. Right, I'll leave that to do its thing and we'll come back in a second. Okay, so we've had a few days break and now we're back with more PSPs. 11 to 14. 14 was working, it's been sold. But there we go, that's magically solved itself. So we've got 11 that's not powering on, 12 that needs a case and cap replacement, and 13 has a cracked LCD. So, there's no battery in here. Where's the power cable? So that goes in, and oh look, magically it powers on, but shuts straight off. So let's have a little look. Where's the magic memory stick? I'm going to put a battery in for a second, just to see if it does charge. But yeah, no actual power. So if I go to my magic box, got the magic memory card and a Pandora battery. Tweak that out. Just get the memory card in there, hold down the L button, pop the battery in, and that should force it to turn on. But it doesn't. Oh, I wonder what's going on. Let's take it to pieces and find out. It looks like it's been apart before, because this here has been lifted already. Now on the heathen, that's just going to come out. Not be deceitful about it, that has been taken off because this has been opened. Away. Hang on, let's have these out. Don't want to lose those. There's a broken piece of plastic from the front. Memory card can stay in there for the time being. Now, hopefully we can get this going, but if not, then hopefully this screen works and it can go in number 13 that's got the cracked LCD. So in the little plastic bubbly wrap bag it goes. Flip it over, take out the two small screws. Now, I'm going to pop this one off here. for a sec. Slide that in. Wow. Okay. That's got me confused. Let's put... Oh, you idiot. It's this one, isn't it? Yeah. Right. Killer power. Plug the screen in. And let's see what happens. Hold that. Turn the power on at the wall. Plug the Pandora in. Hope for some flashy orange lights. And we've got life. Right. That can drop.